Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. 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 That boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom.
It's not too uncommon to see people running down the street, playing basketball, or participating in some fitness activity. That's because they're exercising their muscular system. Hello, I'm Kyle.
And I'm Ella.
And today we're going to talk about one of the most important systems of the body, the muscular system.
There are four main functions of the muscular system. It provides movement, maintains posture, stabilizes joints, and generates heat.
But before we get to the functions of the muscular system, it's important to understand the structure. So let's go ahead and delve into the microscopic imaging.
Now let's focus on the anatomy of a muscle. Muscle is mainly composed of muscle cells, which we've laid out in front of you. The orange circles represent the nuclei in the muscle. The long purple pieces of paper represent the dark band, which are composed of myosin. The light pieces of paper represent the light band, which are composed of actin.
Many myofibrils make up a muscle cell. The yellow zigzag paper represents the Z-disc, while the blue strips of paper represent the H-zone, and the A-band, which is otherwise known as the dark bands.
Skeletal muscles are stimulated by acetylcholine, which is released at neuromuscular junctions called motor neurons. This is an example of an expanded muscle. However, when the muscle contracts, the light band is hidden behind the dark band. This is just a general introduction to the structure of a muscle cell. The first function of the muscular system is to provide movement for the skeletal frame, which we learned about in Chapter 5.
The second function of the muscular system is maintaining posture. The girl on the right is maintaining her posture by using her muscular system, while the girl on the left, as you can see, is being lazy and not using hers, which is ultimately terrible for her muscular system.
The third function of the muscular system is to stabilize the joints. Take, for instance, this softball pitcher here. Without muscles, her shoulder would nearly collapse because it doesn't have the support. Muscle tendons are extremely important in reinforcing and stabilizing joints that have poorly fitting articulating surfaces. So without the muscular system, our joints would not be stabilized and her shoulder perhaps would collapse.
The fourth function of the muscular system is to generate heat. Without muscle activity, your body temperature decreases.
Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. 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 That boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom.